What is going on, lads? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Now today we're finally getting around to fixing the Focus, or hopefully fixing the Focus. If you didn't know already, the PCV valve has gone, or the oil diaphragm has failed. So we're going to be changing that today. I've got the part just here, finally arrived. Took about 28 days or something, which is a bit annoying, but there we go, one of those things. So yeah, we're going to get it changed today. What I'm also going to do is link in the description below for a video on YouTube with like a really clear tutorial on how to do this properly. Just because my lighting's not going to be great, as you can see. So yeah, definitely check out that guy's video. It's super useful, super easy to do. But essentially I'm just going to document it for you boys, so you can know that the Focus is either fixed or it's still broken. Hopefully it's going to be fixed, because I want to take it for a drive today. Because I've taxed it for a month now and not been able to drive it, which is great. So yeah, we're going to get it going. Should be simple as popping off the PCV cap, which is located just in the back there. Obviously the lighting's pretty naff, so you're not going to be able to see it too well. Changing the valve for the new one and putting it back on. Sounds simple, probably not going to be. So yeah, I'll catch up with you boys. I'll try and pop it off and I'll pick up the camera hopefully once I've got it off and show you the condition. Right boys, so I've managed to pop it off. Yeah, it was quite simple. It was literally just a case of using the screwdriver to pry off the cap essentially. We've got the diaphragm out and it does in fact have a split in it. Let me see if I can find it. It's quite a big one, to be fair. There we go. So you can see it's got a decent size split in it there. So that is the reason that we've had the issues. So what we're going to do now is go ahead and just clean up the area where it sits with some blue roll or a clean rag, and then we're going to pop the new one in, and hopefully that is as simple as that. Hopefully. It never really is, but yeah, hopefully that will be that sorted and we can move on and finally get back to doing some cool stuff to the car. But yeah, I'm going to bang it back on now, or bang the new one on, and I'll come back to you with hopefully a fixed Focus. Hopefully, fingers crossed. Right boys, with a bit of persuasion we've managed to get it all hooked up back on. Getting it back on is a little bit tricky because it's such a tight fit for the cap, because obviously it's pressurized, so it has to be such a tight fit. So again, following the tutorial video, push the back down first and then push the front down, because you've got more access on the front. If you've got a Group 8 air filter as well, it makes it a lot easier because you haven't got the airbox in the way here. So you've got a bit more reach. And what I did as well, just to help me get it back on, was just lift out my ECU off the clips, and then just gives you that bit extra room to help you push it down. It was a little bit of a fiddle, but it's on now, so we'll give the car a start up and see how she's running.
Turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways.